To generate a payables report in QuickBooks, follow these steps. Log into your QuickBooks account and navigate to the Reports tab. In the search bar, type Payables or browse through the available report categories to find payables-related reports. Select the report that best suits your needs, such as Aging Payables Summary or Unpaid Bills Detail. Customize the report parameters, such as the date range, specific vendors, and any other relevant filters. Once you have set the desired parameters, click on the Run or Generate button to generate the payables report. QuickBooks will process the data and display the report on your screen. You can further customize the report layout, add or remove columns, and apply additional filters to refine the results. Finally, you can export the report to a PDF or Excel format or print it directly from QuickBooks. Use this report to track your outstanding bills, monitor vendor balances, and manage your payables effectively. Make sure to like and subscribe if this video gave you valuable info. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.